How to fix Telegram login error and if code is not received. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if your code is not received. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're facing a login error on Telegram where you're not receiving the verification code, the first is you want to make sure your internet is working fine. The second is you want to make sure that the mobile number you enter is correct. The third is make sure that you're receiving SMS, because sometimes if you're not receiving SMS, then Telegram might not be able to communicate and send you the code. So make sure you're in an area where you are not in short of cellular connection or tower or signal strength, let's say. In another case, Telegram might not send you an SMS if Telegram is still logged in on one of your previous devices and you didn't log out of those devices. So if Telegram is still logged in on your older device, it will send a code to one of the devices where your Telegram account is still logged in, like your tablet or your desktop or laptop or another secondary device. If none of these are helping, then what I recommend you do is you can simply download this alternative application from Telegram, that is Telegram X. So Telegram X is also one of the popular applications that you can use to have Telegram in this case. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.